sa Dayas. Reading day 3. Babasahin niya is about vegan. A vegan. Sige.
Vegan. Corimao is surrounded by farmers and fisher folk. So, we further to visit Vegan. So, we decided to go a bit farther to visit Vegan, an hour away. Unlike Corimao, Vegan is a preserved Spanish village from the 16th century where rich people used to live. Their homes were preserved as were the cobblestone roads. Unlike Sitio Remedios, in Vegan the homes are integrated with the town, which is filled with stores selling souvenirs and basic needs as well as restaurants. A kalesa, horse-drawn carriage. Drawn carriage. Carriage can take you around the city if you wish. Vegan is an amazing experience. Imagine the entire town that seemed to be frozen in time. I loved it. On the sidewalk, I was amused to see an antique bench. Why was it there? There were no buses during the Spanish colonial period. Were these benches placed there so that people could wait for a kalesa? Naturally, we had to sample some dishes that Vegan is famous for, such as empanada. You can find this anywhere in Vegan. It's made of beans, eggs, garlic, grated unripe papayas, onion, shredded cabbage, and its famous longanisa at the center, lending an orange hue. Longanisang Ilocos. Longanisang Ilocos is a popular breakfast dish and the city's local version of sausage. All around the country, longanisa is served with a distinctive taste unique to the town. Vegan sausage is plump,
white rabbit lang,
full
white
of
rabbit.
garlic and a bit yellowish.
Igwa.
It's cooked in a pan with a big
Tira. Ito. Arete.
The longanisa is boiled in water, and when it has fully evaporated, it is fried in its own fat.
It is
fried in its own fat. For added flavor, it is dipped in vegan. Pakbet in vegan. Pakbet, also called pinakbet, is oftentimes cooked using vegetables that the sellers grow themselves. Ingredients include bitter gourd, chili peppers, eggplants, okra, and string beans. It's a thick, healthy dish and a delectable way to stick to your diet and still enjoy vegan cuisine. Vegan Royal Bibingka. Bibingka is popular all around the Philippines, but in vegan, it is uniquely small and soft. The top includes a crusty cheese and butter combination. With each chewy bite, the sticky but soft treat is a feast of the taste buds.
For the taste buds.
Vegan is one of 6 United Nations educational, scientific, and cultural organizations. UNESCO World Heritage Sites in the Philippines, and one of the new 7 wonders cities worldwide.
Ayan, sa mga palangga, stop muna kay nag-drown out ang Pilipinas.